Greetings, class. I wanted to take just a little bit of your time to provide you with an overview of Module 2 and the course readings. So, a primary role of the academic nurse educator is to participate in curriculum design and the evaluation of program outcomes. Chapter 10 covers the design, development, and evaluation of a curriculum. We know that developing a curriculum is an organized, systematic process. The development of program student learning outcomes is the first step in the development of a curriculum. Now, when writing program student learning outcomes, faculty must consider a variety of elements. These include the philosophy and mission of the parent organization. Regulatory requirements must also be considered, as well as accreditation agencies, licensing requirements, and current nursing trends should also be considered. The forces and issues influencing curriculum development are discussed in Chapter 5. Once program student learning outcomes are developed, faculty will then design the courses that will be taught and the sequencing of the content across the curriculum. Now, there are a variety of curriculum models that are used in nursing programs, such as block curriculum, concept-based curriculum, and competency-based curriculum. These models are discussed in Chapter 6. We will take some time this week to discuss these various models. In 2021, the AACN launched a new competency-based framework to help reduce the gap from education to practice and to promote consistency for baccalaureate and graduate level nursing programs. Now, competencies are sometimes described as what students can do with what they know at designated points during and at the end of the educational program. The new essentials that were launched by AACN includes competencies that are further categorized into sub-competencies for entry to practice and advanced nursing education programs. In response to the new essentials, many colleges of nursing are now restructuring their curriculum model. And with any change, there are sources of constraints. Constraints can be related to faculty themselves, students. There are time constraints as well as resource constraints. A clear, complete understanding of these constraints and these resources are necessary for curriculum design and revision, even before beginning the process. As you move through the readings for this week, please do take some time to review the new essentials, which will make clear a competency-based framework. So I do have the essentials, which is a downloadable document pulled up for you here. If you have not had time to review the new essentials, please do take some time to do so. As you review this document, and you move toward the domains, you will find the competencies as well as the sub-competencies that I talked about. So there's a lot of pre-reading before we get there. All valuable information. Again, if you've not had an opportunity to look at the new essentials, now would be a good time because this is where many colleges of nursing are now moving or shifting toward. And that is a competency-based framework, which is reflected in the new essentials. I would also recommend that you take time to review the standards for accreditation of baccalaureate and graduate nursing programs. Now, this resource is available to you in the Nursing Accreditation Resources in Brightspace. So I look forward to our discussion online, and please do not hesitate to reach out if you have any questions or concerns. Thank you.